Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're trying out the natural, unnatural skin color makeup trend, trying to find what color looks best on you. And today I went with red. First, we're going to start out with a red face paint and put that all over the face, neck, and chest area. Then I go over the hairline with some red eyeshadow just to blend that into the hair. Then I use a very pale, almost white concealer and put this over in the places that I wanted to highlight and started to blend that into the red. Using this at the high points of the cheekbones and the forehead. And a little highlight on the nose as well. Then I use a dark red eyeshadow for a little bit of contour on the cheeks. Then with that same dark red color, I'm adding some shading to the crease of my eyelids and sort of making a wing shape on the outer corners. Then I use my Color Glitter eyeshadow palette and I used the red glitter, putting this only on the inner corners. Then I used a darker sort of burgundy shade of lipstick. Then added a bit of bright red to the middle of the lips. And that completes this natural, unnatural red skin color makeup look. I really love red and I thought this would be a great look to start with, but I want to try different colors to see which one looks best. I also think this could make a great base for a devil or demon Halloween costume. Let me know what you guys think of the red look and let me know what color you think I should try next.